Right, binary search, how it works here is we'll find the index values. First, we'll be starting with the beginning index and end index. So beginning will be made to point to the index 1 and the end will be made to point to index 13. So I will take B for beginning and E for end. So end is 30. So these are the index values. We will take the index values of the array. So beginning is pointing to 1 and end is pointing to 13. And we will find the middle value here, MID, that is middle is equal to M. So what we do in this binary search algorithm here is we find the middle index first. Middle index is always given by beginning. It's a procedure for binary search. Middle index is always given by beginning plus end divided by 2. So what is the beginning index value? Beginning index value is 1 plus end is 13 divided by 2. So that is nothing but 14 divided by 2. So then it is 7. So index value here is 7. So middle index value here is 7. So once we get the middle index value, we compare the data of the array. We compare the data present in our array. That is, how do you perform the comparison? If A of, that is A of middle, is it equal to key element what we want to find? So key element in our case here is 40. We are trying to search 40, whether 40 is present in the array or not. What is A of middle? A of middle, see here, middle index is 7 and A of 7 is this one. A of 7 is what? A of 7 is 55. So is 55, is it equal to key? What is key? Key is 40. Key nothing but item. Here some, just the name is different here. That is nothing but we are referring to this element only. We are referring to this element only. So comparison. So if it is equal, we say that we have found the element. Else element is not found in the first iteration. So later what we do here is we check whether is it greater, that is whether the middle element is it greater than key element, is it greater than or equal to key element. What is A of middle? A of middle is 55. Is it greater than or equal to key? So what is key element? Key element is 40. That means the middle element is 55 is greater than or equal to 40. So what it indicates here is, so when this is the case, we should not search the right side of this array. It is understood that element is present at the left side. Element is present at the left side. Why? Because all the elements in this array are arranged in increasing order. All the elements are arranged in increasing order. So what we say, the element is present somewhere at the left side. That means this end index will get changed now. This end index we are not going to search at the right side. So the end index value is going to change now. End index value is going to change. So the new value of beginning will be 1 itself, and new value of end will be middle minus 1, because already we have compared here middle element. That means you should come at the left side, that is m minus 1. So E will be m minus 1. So m is what? 7. 7 minus 1 is what? 6. So these are the new values of beginning and end now. New value of beginning is 1. New value of end is 6. So new value of beginning is 1 and new value of end is 6. And now we have to start with this. These new index values. We have to start with these new index values. I'll just try to erase this earlier part so that we can go for the next iteration of this array. That is, we can go for next iteration of binary search algorithm. So these are the present indices. Beginning is 1 and end is 6. So I'll erase it and rewrite once again. So here we have found the first iteration. Beginning is 1 and end is going to change it as a 6. So the new index values are beginning is 1 and end is 6. So again find the middle index. Middle is given by beginning plus end divided by 2. So what is beginning? 1. 1 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So it will become 3.5. But we are going to eliminate the fractional part. We are going to eliminate the fractional part to get the whole number, because there are no indexes such as 3.5 or 2.5 in arrays. So index values are rounded values, so we will take it as 3. So we will not take 3.5. So now again perform the condition, check the condition of the binary search. Check the predefined condition of the binary search. So what is the condition of the binary search? We will search the elements if that is a of middle, is it equal to item or key. What is a of middle? Middle is 6. Middle is 3, not 6. Middle is 3. A of 3 is 30. See here, you can see here a of 3 is what? 30. 30, is it equal to key? What is key? Key is 40. So again this comparison is going to fail here. But what it indicates, check these conditions. If next condition, whether the element is, if it is failing, there are only two other possibilities. Either the element is present at the left side of this or element is present at the right side of this. Here we have already eliminated searching this part. We have already eliminated searching this part in the previous iteration. We are not searching this. Now what the new condition says, the 30, the key element what we found is, what we are going to find is 40, but 40 is present to the right side. That means high index will be kept as it is now. That is end index will be kept as it is, and we're going to change the beginning index. We're going to change the beginning index. That means this pointer should be brought to this location. That means new beginning will be changing. What is the new beginning? New beginning is equal to middle plus 1. So what is earlier value of middle? Earlier value of middle here it is 3. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So now we are starting from 4 and going up to 6. We are searching in only this part now. We will not search in this part. This is also eliminated now. This is also eliminated. Now we are supposed to search only in this part. So again we'll repeat the procedure with the new index values of beginning and end. What is the new beginning value? So new beginning value what we have got is 4. So new beginning value is 4 and new end value remains same. So what is end value? End value is 6. See, earlier end value is 6 as it is. The earlier end value will not change. So now again find the middle index, new middle index by using these beginning and end values. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So middle value is 5. Now again perform this. Now again perform this comparison. So what is A of 5? So A of 5 is how much? A of 5 is 40. Here, as you can see, A of 5 is 40. So A of 5 is 40. 40, is it equal to 40? Yes, we have found the element because A of 5 is 40 and the element what we are searching is also 40. In this case, we call it as search is successful. Search is successful. So basically what is the strategy of the binary search here is, The first thing is the array elements must be sorted in increasing order. The elements of the array must be sorted in increasing order. That is first condition. And second thing here is we go on searching the key element by comparing with the middle element. We go on searching the key element by comparing with the middle element. So there are three possibilities. Either the middle element is present, either the middle element is same as that of the key element, or the key element is present at the left side of the array, or key element is present at the right side of the array. So only these three conditions we go on applying. So this is the same procedure is explained here. Till the item is found in the textbook, till the item is found, that is what is the same procedure. But when the search is going to be unsuccessful, so search is going to be unsuccessful only when we exceed the index value. Only when we exceed the index value, the search will be unsuccessful. Like in case of linear search, when all the indices have been searched and if the element is not found, the search will be unsuccessful. So that is what is one example for the binary search technique. Binary search technique.